Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken Caesar salad dressing. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk, the juice from 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For the best flavor, choose a good quality extra virgin olive oil. Also, have 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce ready to go. These ingredients form the delicious base. Now let's create that signature creamy texture. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolk, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard until the mixture is light and creamy. This is your base. The key to a perfect Caesar dressing is emulsification. Slowly drizzle in about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, a few drops at a time, while continuously whisking vigorously. This gradual addition ensures the dressing thickens beautifully to a smooth, consistent texture. With your creamy base ready, it's time to build the rich flavor. Stir in your minced garlic and anchovy paste. These add a wonderful savory depth. Next, add the Worcestershire sauce and a generous dash of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. Now, taste the dressing and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or pepper to perfectly balance the flavors. For the final touch, stir in about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese just before you're ready to serve. If the dressing seems too thick, you can thin it out with a small amount of water or a little more lemon juice. This dressing is best when fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious homemade Caesar dressing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.